Hello, my name is Brandon Toth, and I'm here interviewing a representative from Pisco.
Hi, I'm Alan Jones, a member of Pisco USA. Hajimemashite, Jones-aran to mochimasu. Yoroshiku onegai itashimasu.
Already blowing me away. Awesome. So, you introduced yourself. What's your role in Pisco? What are you doing there?
So I am a sales manager for Pisco USA, Japanese pneumatics manufacturer, U.S. branch. I also do marketing work, and I also work with the SPD department doing data analysis. So kind of a lot of different hats.
Pisco USA been in business?
So we've been around since 1993 when Pisco Japan wanted to start making its presence known in America. We've been kind of a warehouse style business up until recently. We're now kind of venturing out in sales and meeting end users, kind of developing our relationships with distributors like Flotronics here, and trying to develop these good relationships and let people know more about our brand, bring up that brand awareness, and let people know that there's a high quality Japanese pneumatic product that's probably cheaper than most of the other competitors out there in the market, so you're saving money and getting a more durable product.
Speaking of with your company, what's your company's special focus? What do you guys...
So like I said before, we're a pneumatics company, so anything from fittings to the tubings that connect to the fittings, valves, flow control, solenoids, as well as actuators and end-of-arm tooling rigs, automation setups for robotics that involve like vacuum generators, vacuum tubing, vacuum cups, and again, the special kind of rigs and things like that. So pretty much anything that's in a pneumatic system besides the air cylinder, we're covering.
What's your newest product? I know you were showing me one of the newer things that you guys were working on with the airflow controls.
So our newest two products, I would say, are the first is the BJSU, that's the two-stage speed controller. It's a completely mechanical fitting device that allows you to create an air cushion, so you're running high cycle times on air cylinders without damaging the air cylinder or having costly maintenance to keep up the cushions that prevent or shock absorbers that air cylinders use, which can be costly for downtime and maintenance requests. With ours, you're just able to put a fitting in, set it, and forget about it, which works really well and is a real cost-effective measure. The other thing is our PSET series. So a very big problem in the American manufacturing sphere and the automation sphere is when you're using pneumatics is you'll have workers on the line like go and like grab like a particular speed, adjust it, dial it up to 11 and pop it back in, because their mindset is like, oh, if I dial it up to 11, that means I can get more work done, right? But pneumatics don't work that way. You're going to pop your fittings and now the machine's down for maintenance while techs have to figure out why did this malfunction. So our set of PSET devices are a set of fittings that are tamper-proof. They prevent anyone from being able to tamper with them besides the maintenance engineers or the engineers themselves, either because they're set to a particular speed so there's no adjustment available. They're already preset to what the engineer or maintenance technician needs, or they're set with like the control device is built inside the fitting and you need a particular tool to be able to adjust it, keeping someone from just being able to reach out, grab it, and mess with it with their own hands.
What has your experience been with Flotronics Automation?
It's been a good experience. I've only been here a year, so I've only got to meet with you guys a couple times, but we're trying to grow together and kind of make that relationship happen. The big thing for us always is learning what you guys need and how we can help you better, but also at the same time being ready at a moment's notice to help what the end user needs, which helps you guys too, because so many like manufacturers are like, oh, well, we'll get back to you about that, and you'll have this long like wait time. For our ability to be like, you guys need us, we're on a flight or we're traveling up there to meet with the end users, troubleshoot, figure out, and work with you guys to be able to get answers instead of just passing the buck or kicking the can down the road is kind of our core ideal, and what I think really helps you guys out, because you guys can say, hey, look, we got this manufacturer where you're actually going to matter to them, and it helps you guys have that relationship with us, and it helps us have that relationship with them. We all work better symbiotically like that.
Absolutely. Well, it's been a pleasure meeting with you, Alan. Thank you so much for the interview, and I'm excited to work more with Pisco in the future.
Thanks.